Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Wela Primadianti akan membacakan review artikel Student Worksheet English for Mathematics. Title: Socio-Cultural Diversity in the Form of Digital Comics for 4th Grade Student. Validity and Feasibility. 1. How to cite. Based off the result of this analysis, it can be said that digital comic media developed on the topic of socio-cultural diversity are declared valid and suitable for use in student learning. B. Introduction. 1. Problems. The social studies learning process in elementary schools has been interred with other material content to become them as the 233 curriculum is implemented. However, the social studies content learning process still prioritize the meaningful learning process by developing high-level thinking skills of students. 2. Gap. The social studies learning process is directed at cultivating and developing student critical and creative thinking skills. It will be achieved in the learning process in carried out with various innovations including models, methods, and learning media following student and materials characteristics. Efforts can be made to optimize social studies learning outcomes, namely the need for a student-centered learning process and the need to use learning media to increase students' learning interest and motivation. 3. Purposes. However, the learning process, especially the social studies content, has not been implemented optimally. The fact is that teachers have as models, methods, and learning media as an effort to improve the quality of learning, but they realize that their efforts have not been maximized due to limitation in understanding the use of models, methods, and the learning media itself. See methods. 1. Context or design. This research was development research that products a product. The product developed in this study was a learning media on socio-cultural diversity in digital comics. The model used in this study was the analysis, design, development, implementation, evaluation model. This text can be explained as follows. The analysis stage includes several stages: curriculum analysis, student characteristic analysis, needs analysis, and media analysis. 2. Participants or sampling. The planning of instructional media design starts from determining the material developed in digital comic media, making a virtual comic media design, and then showing the supervisor to get input or suggestion for improving the media. The development stage of development was carried out by developing digital comic media on 4th grade socio-cultural diversity, then consulted with the supervisor for input on suggestion for improving digital comic media. Meanwhile, the implementation and evaluation stages were not carried out due to time, research, and financial constraints. Furthermore, the data collection method used was a questionnaire method by providing a list of questions or statements to the respondent. The questionnaire method used to collect data on the validation result of digital comics by experts. The data collection instrument used in this development research was the rating scale is raw data in the form of numbers, which is then interpreted as descriptive. The rating scale instrument used was the digital comic assessment sheet. For variables socio-cultural diversity in the form of digital comics for fourth grade student validity and visibility. 5. Data analysis or statistics. The development stage was carried out by developing digital comic media on the topic of fourth grade socio-cultural diversity. Digital comic media were designed and developed with characters that were packaged as attractive as possible. The media developed equipped with comics learning objective and material delivery instructions until the end is presented attractively. D. Conclusion and suggestions. Conclusion. From the above discussion, it can be concluded the digital comic media on the topic of socio-cultural diversity of fourth grade elementary school students is possible to be developed and used. It can be seen from the result of the validity test of the visual aspect supported by the suitability of the media illustration in the very good predicate. The overall appearance aspect gets a very good predicate supported by the appearance of appropriate illustration. Attractive characters, background and word balance, attractive animation and transition between panels. Based on this, digital comic media is suitable for us in the learning process. Suggestions. The results obtained from the analysis at the analysis stage were carried out through several stages: need analysis, curriculum analysis, student characteristic analysis, and media analysis. The needs analysis stage was carried out on developing the media used in SD Gugus 4 Kecamatan Buleleng using a questionnaire and interview method. Sekian, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.